Packing up, heading out, and it's snowing. Welcome to American Roots.
It is the last day. It's time for us to get ready. We are packing up the tiny house, animal proofing it, getting everything done that we need to get done. We brought some things like plastic bins and stuff to store stuff in. So that's what we're doing. Let's get it going. It's supposed to snow at like noon. So we're not necessarily in a hurry, but we're not trying to get snowed in. We got the beds packed up. Everything in bags.
Packing up the truck. It started to snow. First snow. For us anyway.
It is coming down pretty good. I'm loading the truck and I had to go get my jacket. So I'm just getting stuff into the truck from the house, but let me show you the house view. It's kind of nice. So that is as we are packing up, getting everything put away.
Empty your gun. I mean, screw gun. Oh, good. Where's the tape gun?
Tape gun's in the right inside when you walk in on the table. It's always hard to pack up and leave, especially after you've started getting into a groove. But it's going pretty fast. We already have the truck loaded. Joe's putting a bin of stuff in the back. We've got to do a little bit of cleanup, but all in all, let me show you the new shipping container. Ooh. And there's the whitewashed door.
Other stuff we got empty out.
That looks good.
Yeah.
It's very nice. Truck is loaded. It stopped snowing. It's just lightly snowing still. We are gonna finish getting things cleaned up. We've got to get the fireplace emptied.
We're leaving.
That wraps it up.
We'll be back soon.
We'll be back soon.
Oh, there you are. You came for your snack. There's Beachy Judah.
No other dogs.
American Roots. Out.
The baby doesn't want us to leave. Baby.
It's a good boy. Some snow travels. We haven't even hit the peak yet.
More than a dusting. So we've made it. We are getting ready to head out of Kansas. We stopped and stayed last night after driving for about Whew, it seemed like 6 or 8 hours or something. We are showered, slept, gonna get coffee and get back on the road. I'm excited to see my dogs. I miss them. My parents too, but you know, my dogs. I feel like we got a lot done. Looking back, I mean, we checked everything off our to-do list. And it really helps for the next time that we go back out there. Now we're starting from where we left it this time. If you've ever taken long road trips, you know it just seems like forever. But it helps when there's things that you don't normally see. We don't normally see the snow in New Mexico. We normally don't see the snow in Flagstaff unless we travel there. So it was neat to see it coming in from the other side. We use these road trips to talk, to make plans, to listen to other people that are doing what we're doing, listen to sermons. We get encouragement. It's super helpful to have this time while it seems like, oh my gosh, I have that long of a drive. You start to look forward to the drive. I actually have grown to really love the time that we spend traveling back and forth. So this trip we got done a lot, and I think the next trip we're gonna really focus on trying to get a kitchen put in. If we get the kitchen put in, we will be ready to lay the foundation and get the tiny house put on a foundation after the weather permits. So now that we have a plan, it's full steam ahead. There's so much we have left to do, and there's so many decisions we have left to make. Sometimes it's nice just to sit and enjoy the really beautiful spots of your drive. And Arizona just has that special touch of pine trees and cactus. Sometimes you forget. And then the sun starts to go down. And you remember, Arizona has sunsets like no other. As it starts to peek over the horizon, it just settles in that we're home. More decisions have to be made. But it's part of it. This has to happen. We need this. And just as you start sinking into all of these thoughts of a new to-do list, you make your way down the mountain. And it's just gorgeous. We're really enjoying sharing our journey. We hope that it encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. And as always, we're praying you're blessed. We'll see you soon.